Good day, maritime professionals. If you hold a steam license and have hands-on steam experience, we have an outstanding opportunity waiting for you. Candina Group is currently recruiting engineers and crew members for an LNG and FSU vessel stationed in Buenaventura, Colombia. This is a fixed location, long-term assignment offering stability and a clear schedule for every position available. Latin American seafarers are especially encouraged to apply. For the engine department, we are seeking qualified candidates for the following roles: Chief Engineer with an expected joining date at the end of 2026, Second Engineer joining in October 2026, Cargo Engineer joining in October or November 2026, Third Engineer joining at the end of 2026, Automation Engineer joining in November 2026, and Fourth Engineer with 2 vacancies available, 1 joining in November 2026 and 1 at the beginning of 2027. Please note that a valid steam license and relevant steam experience are required for all engine positions. We are also welcoming ratings to join from September or October 2026. We are looking for bosun, able seaman, ordinary seaman, fitter, motorman, wiper, and pumpman. For the galley department, we need a chief cook, second cook, and messman, also available from September or October 2026. If you meet the qualifications for any of these positions, we encourage you to take the next step today. Send your updated CV to Candina Group, and our team will be in touch with you shortly. We look forward to welcoming you aboard.